Friday, September 27th, and here we are in Syracuse. I missed a whole lot of action, about 20 minutes out due to me being on the wrong side of the window and me not paying attention. And due to phone memory issues, I missed a whole lot of action. While we were pulling in, train went around us. And yeah, so this is Amtrak 108. This is AMTK 108. Amtrak, connecting America. No train, no Amtrak trains can meet here. There's only one platform, 108. Amtrak 92. 2. 52, Trout River, Cafe, 28001. You're 5105. To 5103. To 5040.